going to give you an idea about how to create an espaliered fruit tree. The great advantage of doing an espalier is that you can fit trees into small spaces. So the idea of espalier is to flatten your fruit tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out all these branches that are coming out in the three-dimensional plane, and I'm going to create a flat tree. So you can see we've set up wires to train our tree on, and when we planted it in the spring we tied down several of our branches. So anything like this is going to come off. Anything growing into the tree comes off, and anything that doesn't belong on the flat plane comes off. So you can start to see we're already flattening the tree. So I need to choose which one of these I'm going to actually keep. And I'm going to keep this back one because it's got branches that are going to fit onto my wires. So I'm going to take this bit off. You can already start to see that the tree's beginning to look flat. And then we just need to tie it up onto our support system. So I've got these wonderful rubber ties that are nice and stretchy and flexible. They're not going to bend my branches or my tree. I'm going to tie all these branches down. This one needs to come off. And this one needs to come off, or I tie it flat. These are the decisions you make, and if you're not entirely sure, you can do a bit of cutting, step back, have a look at it. You could even do some of it now and wait for winter to actually do your final pruning. So I just need to make my choices here, what I'm going to keep. Now the advantage of having your tree with its branches on this flattened plane is this is going to increase the fruiting of this tree. Anything that has its fruiting laterals pinned out like that, it encourages more fruit. So not only are we going to have a really attractive looking plant, but we're also going to have a bumper crop of red chartreuse mulberries. See, that's actually quite quick, and our tree already looks quite different. It's on the flattened plane. We've got rid of all that third dimension, so we just have a nice flattened tree. You can do all sorts of designs as well. It really is up to your creativity to what you want to create. Some people make beautiful patterns, and if you have a look in a good book on espalier, you'll get all sorts of designs that you could do with your own fruit trees in your backyard. It's great if you've got a nice sunny wall where you want to get something that's productive. A really excellent method for getting fabulous fruit trees in small spaces. Espalier is the ideal technique to fit many trees into small spaces. This will take advantage of fences or blank walls that you may have around your property. The technique of espalier can be used to dwarf full-size trees through constant pruning and training.